Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ringkat lang bat ka Perthai Barokowai ka Ophis jong ka District Medical and Health Officer West Jaiñtia Hills District ka Rakhe ka World Mental Health Day ha ka Shpauterik Urisa Arjar Arpuar da ka bapelong ru ya ka jing yathir yatai bat ka jing ai jing hikai kumno banyada na ka jing pang jing sitom ha ka jing mot jing perkhat kirio simpang ki bala ai jing batai ha ka ni kasi kilong ka Dr. A.N. Paswet ka badai ka psychiatrist bat ka Nodal Officer jong ka District Medical Health Program bat ka Shomi Singkon ka balong ka Clinical Psychologist ka Kong Daina Roy Tongpier ka badai ka Psychiatric Social Worker u Dr. E. Dan u balong Medical and Health Officer ha ka ni program lai simenta de ki khana school na ka Government Boys, Government Girls, naka School St. Mary's, Marzello Girls, naka QC Springside, naka Thomas Jones College, Lembat Kinoy kay.
This theme talks about mental health. It is a very important agenda of today's topic. Why? Because it is being kept on the last page. Physical health, emotional health, everything is kept on the front page. But whereas mental health is always kept at the back page, people don't want to talk about it or hear about it, alright? So that's why it is important for you as students, as teachers, to understand what are these mental health problems and why do we face them. And if we face them, there's nothing ashamed about it, alright? Mental warfare. Oh, why did I ask you, do you have mental health problems? Majority of you thought will be. Remember, the mental health is. Mental health doesn't mean that, alright? Doesn't mean baby, alright? We'll talk about it. Now, let us all talk about mental health from today out loud. To come out from such space, alright? You have to let out from such mental health problems, because if you treat it from the first stage, it will not go further. But if you treat it at the last stage, we are unable to do it together, alright? But if you go it from the first stage itself, we get to treat you and counsel you. I tell you, there's nothing understand? So there are specific things that we have to do. Understand what? If you have 5 members in the family, father, mother and 3 children. Now if one is affected with mental health problems, the 4 are being affected. 4 you can miss A. Ông ấy ca hay là em mà trong dùng mặt đấy. Quả nó ông sang thụ đấy nó chỉ có hả em quên em đi thế hiện nó trong dùng bla 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 bla. Cái ní độ clam mình nhọ lại độ clam. Is it possible to save him? No. So don't do only ask. Miss A krungo ask hai go. She didn't listen, she didn't help. Now Mr. B gặp yang phone yang phone. Oh me yang ma. We cut it short. Tang drama drong ke tang cut it short ma. Tao ni phone ma em mo drong yung ngak dem dem. Kena lu lok ako. Lu lok yang ko. What? He just listened. Will he be able to save him? No. This is also a wrong technique. Now, last technique. What do you think this person will do? Let's see what she does. Okay. Masin phone me. Tap the phone. Masin phone me ông người cá. Hello, ngài em là trong dùng em cứ just nhau ê ông em qua đi mình bật thai mi ông có hay quên em đi mi ông ngài em là trong dùng ông cái ní hiện là trong dùng ngài em là trong mi chết ơi tham sắc thô bật tới chừng em làm tem sắc thô ở té cả té quá hiện là trong dùng. What is she doing? She asks, at the same time she listens, at the same time she help. So these are the 3 things to save somebody's life. Alright, so let's give them a clap.